Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the Help Me Write feature in Gmail. First, open Gmail on your computer and click the Compose button to start a new message. In the bottom left corner of the message window, you will see a small sparkle icon. This is the Help Me Write button. Click the sparkle icon, and a box will appear where you can type a short prompt. Think of this as a description of what you want your email to say. After you type your prompt, click the Create button. Gmail will generate a draft email for you. Take a moment to read it and see if it matches your needs. If you want to adjust the tone or length, you can use the Refine options. You might choose to make it more formal, shorter, or more detailed. When you are happy with the draft, insert it into your message. From there, you can edit it just like any other email. You can still change the text, add recipients, and include attachments. That is how you can use the Help Me Write feature in Gmail. Thanks for watching.